Meet Naomi. She's just been hired as an e-commerce marketing manager for a mid-market skincare brand. Naomi wants to make a big impact in her new role and ensure she's using her marketing spend to get the best return on investment. The brand is already running marketing campaigns and is now looking to leverage Shopify tools to accelerate their marketing efforts. They're keen to attract new, high-intent customers and convert them into loyal brand advocates. Naomi begins by opening the Shop channel in the Shopify admin. Shop enables her to connect the brand with tens of millions of shoppers through a mobile shopping experience. She also downloads Shopify Collabs, which will help her organize and scale collaborations with creators, all right in the Shopify admin. Naomi connects with a beauty influencer who aligns with the brand's values and offers them an affiliate link. Next, she installs Shopify Audiences to boost her ad performance and find new customers. Audiences uses millions of commerce insights only available on Shopify. It generates custom lists of relevant buyers for her ad campaigns, buyers that are more likely to convert. Naomi uses these lists for her ad campaigns on the supported platforms. Her marketing efforts have paid off. New customers are arriving at the brand's website. She sets up a Shopify form to capture new leads. With a value-driven lead form, Naomi will get a better return on her advertising spend by encouraging browsers to exchange their email for a discount code. Plus, if her visitors already use Shop, they'll be able to log in with their Shop account, save their discount, and be set up for one-click checkout. Just like that. Naomi takes advantage of this new lead by creating a welcome email series using marketing automations in her store. Welcome emails are consistently the highest converting type of email a brand can send and average over 60% open rates. Naomi customizes her welcome sequence to remind new subscribers about their discount code, promote top products, and introduce the brand story.
Now that I've set up a streamlined conversion funnel, I want to show my new boss how much these marketing efforts are paying off. Using the sales attributed to marketing report in my marketing dashboard, I'm able to showcase the increase in traffic with each channel. By targeting high-intent prospects with Shopify Audiences, working with creators to reach new customers, and enhancing our customers' experience with tools like Shop and automated emails, the brand's conversion rates are now steadily on the rise.
Ready to learn more about optimizing your marketing strategy? Head over to Shopify Academy to get started.